Can manufacturing businesses make use of OCR?
Any organisation with an accounts payable function that's got greater than sort of one full-time equivalent person can make use of AI-enhanced OCR. The machine learning and artificial intelligence capabilities of today's generation of OCR allows an accounts payable invoice coming from a supplier for it to be read and understood by the business's system, to be able to decide whether or not that can just be processed straight through, or if there are exceptions associated with it. If there are exceptions, it knows what to do about those exceptions, whether that's flagging that up to a central person to deal with, or for example, if it's outside of an approval authority limit for someone, to send it on to the right person, or if it doesn't match what we're expecting within a given tolerance, send it on to the right person. And to do all that without having to take up the time of somebody to look at it, interpret it, code it, decide what to do with it, then actually execute all of those things that I just said, as well as being able to see who it's with, how long they've had it, when we might get it back, whether or not they need more information. Being able to do all of that within a system is really about a few things. It allows the business of business to happen faster. We're not being held up by this stuff. It allows us to transact greater volumes with fewer people, which is always something that employers like, whether you're a for-profit or not-for-profit organisation. And in the case of manufacturing, that can also be about making sure that we're getting through the processing of that data in such a way that it's not holding up our manufacturing operation, and perhaps even more importantly, is allowing us to make sure that our suppliers are getting paid in a reasonable time, and therefore keeping us in pretty good stead with those supplier relationships.